In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning mug design using Gimp. Whether you're planning to create personalized gifts or expand your design skills, this guide will help you achieve professional results effortlessly. So let's jump right in and get started. First up, we'll need to open Gimp. If you don't have this software installed yet, make sure to download and install it from their official website. It's free and incredibly versatile for all sorts of graphic design needs. Once you have Gimp up and running, we're ready to move on with this creative journey. The next step is to upload your Mockup mug design into Gimp. To do this, navigate to the File menu at the top of the screen and choose the Open as Layers option. This allows you to import your design image so that it's layered on top of the mug template we're going to use. When you select your file, it will appear in the main workspace where you can start manipulating it to fit your vision. Now the magic begins. You'll want to position your design precisely onto the Mockup mug template. Use the Move tool to drag and adjust the image until it's perfectly aligned. This is also a great opportunity to ensure that your image is centered and doesn't overflow the cup area unless you're going for a specific wraparound effect. Here's where Gimp really shines with its variety of tools. To give the mockup a realistic look, we're going to add some distortion using the Curve Bend filter, which will help your design appear as if it's seamlessly printed on the mug surface. First, click on Filters in the top menu, then select Distort, and finally click Curve Bend. This tool allows you to adjust the curvature of your image, mimicking the natural roundness of a mug. Take your time with this step, tweaking the settings carefully until it matches your design goals. Remember, you can always use the preview function to see how changes affect the image before applying them. Now take a moment to admire your work. You've successfully positioned and bent your design to wrap realistically around the mug. This step finalizes our process. Before we end, remember to save your work. Use the Export As option under the File menu to save your design in a format that preserves quality, like PNG or JPEG. By exporting, you'll have a high-resolution file ready for printing or sharing online. And there you have it. You've created a professional-looking mug design using Gimp. Practice a couple more times to refine your skills and explore other filters for more creative effects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy designing!